Hey, this is the 7472 AIT rotary heat press, and you're at AIT, so this is a stock machine that we have here and available. You can see this machine is on a skid. It's not on casters, unlike its smaller sister version with the 8-inch diameter drum. This 7400 machine, 7472, has a 14-inch diameter drum, and due to the weight, it's not on casters. It'll sit on the floor. So I want to take you through this quick as I can. And what you can see from this control panel side here is that I've got an unwind on the bottom that is unwinding fabric, and this unwinds up through an S-wrap. It's kind of hard to see, but the gist of it is you have the option of adding tension here on the fabric, but more importantly, we use an S-wrap. It's parallel bars that can rotate, and that way you're able to more so flatten this fabric out as it unwinds and makes its way up to this position here, which is the belt, and it's going to enter the drum here. A couple things while I'm up here. I've just set up a tape measure, so you can see the belt on this machine is about 77 inches wide. After a year or two, this belt will come down, will shrink down to 76 inches or so, but generally speaking, it'll stay well beyond the 72 inches. And then this E-lanyard that goes across here is used to stop the machine and to turn it in reverse in the event that you need to start over. The bar that's propped up goes in the middle station, and that's for print paper unwinding. By the way, all of these bars are interchangeable, so just because it was used for unwinding fabric doesn't mean that it couldn't be used as a rewind or any of the other positions. They all interchange. So product enters here, comes out on the top of the drum and back around the belt and off the backside. Used print paper is actually going to rewind at this station. That's an independent rewind. Down here on the control panel, you can see that it has its own on-off, but then also its own variable speed to be able to speed up or slow down. So this machine again sits on the floor. Go around the other side. E-stops are on the machine, and there's panels that open on both sides. Coming around to the back of the machine, we'll have 3 rewinds back here. The very bottom one would be used for blotting tissue in the event you ran blotting tissue, but that's a variable speed rewind. The middle one is for the printed fabric rewind. And then while I'm back here, I also wanted to show you at the very bottom inside of the cabinet, there's already a hole punched out for electrical. So this machine only requires 220 volt 3-phase. Look at the serial plate here. So it's going to, if this will focus, it's going to require 34 amps, 3-phase, and the electrical should be just brought to the machine and connected internally. Here's the rewind adjustments back here, the on and off and variable speeds. And then on this side, here's our operator panel with a PLC. It gives you all kinds of controls here. I've got a video